Wigs can be great protective hairstyles if you want to grow your hair as well as to manage alopecia, especially traction alopecia. That is if you do these two things that I will be sharing. Number one, you need to take care of your hair under your wigs, otherwise it will suffer. So make sure that you develop a hair care routine that A, prioritizes your scalp, and B, takes into consideration your hair type or your hair profile. So you will need to do research and find out what works for your hair. And if you have hair like mine, so where there isn't much documented research, it will be a trial and error process. So seek information from cosmetic chemists, hairstylists, as well as knowledgeable hair influencers with a similar hair type to you. So for reference, I have a 4C curl pattern, high porosity with thin strands. I have high density in most areas and very low density around my hairline, especially on my right hand side due to alopecia. So I wash and condition my hair weekly and then I moisturize daily. Occasionally I will pre-poo my hair using an oil mix, and then I use a moisturizing shampoo and a scalp massager to wash my hair. I use a volumizing conditioner and then an ACV rinse, so apple cider vinegar rinse, to the hair while the conditioner is still in my hair. I also protein condition, but that is every 2 weeks. So after washing, I follow up with a leave-in conditioner, a scalp serum, and then a hair cream. Then I seal in the moisture with a lightweight oil. So remember, I wash and condition weekly, and then the moisturizing step, so the cream and the oil, I do this daily. So since my hair is growing, what I usually do is I style my hair into flat twists under my wigs and also in between washes. Taking care of my own natural hair is only the first step. The second step is how you wear your wig. How do you install your wigs? The installation method is important. It is very important. I only use glue on occasions. I only use it if I really need my installs to stay on for a bit longer, like more than overnight. If I'm planning on wearing my wigs for about a weekend, 2 to 3 days, that's when I'll use something more stronghold like a glue, but that's on occasions, occasionally, seldomly. Most of the time, if I want a strong hold, I go for hairsprays, I go for glue gels, I go for lace sprays. Those sprays that you can remove with water, those sprays that I know I can remove at the end of the day and just take care of my natural hair, see what's happening with my natural hair. Those sprays that are not as harsh on the skin, that are not as harsh on your edges because they don't require solvents to remove them. The important thing when you use these lace sprays or these glue gels, apply them onto your skin, not directly onto your hair. And I will say that with glues, so the stronghold glues that you need oil to remove, use a bold cap method and also use wig tapes so that they never come into contact with your own hair, with your own skin. That is a great way to manage your alopecia if you are wearing wigs. The best way to grow your hair under your wigs and to manage any hair loss conditions, in my case is alopecia, will always be going glueless. Go glueless, you can never go wrong with going glueless, which is why you should always invest in custom sized wigs, because those are the wigs that will give you a glueless fit, 100% glueless fit, where you just cut the lace and put them on. And with such wigs, you don't need those adjustable straps, you don't need the combs. They are necessary, they add extra bulk, they cause friction on your head. And the other thing is to wear a wig cap underneath, just to make sure that there's no friction between the inside of the wigs and your actual hair. I also saw a lady on TikTok who was applying these satin strips on her hairline where her hair is more fragile. I think it's a very brilliant idea. It's something that I want to incorporate into my wig wearing routine. While we're on the topic of glueless wigs, here are 2 quick glueless wig installs that I know you will enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.